On Gravine Island that led to the shooting of Summer Moody. Meantime, Moody's family has hired a lawyer, and he's raising a lot of questions about the shooting.
Fox 10 News reporter Renee Dials has more on this new development.
While 17-year-old Summer Moody continues to fight for her life at USA Medical Center, her family has hired an attorney to represent the teenager's interest.
We have some questions, and Summer Moody has not been able to speak for herself concerning this matter.
Robert Stankowski held a news conference in his Fairhope office today to talk about the investigation into Sunday's shooting on Gravine Island.
We have serious and substantial questions as to whether or not the use of deadly force was justified or was appropriate under these circumstances. We have questions as to whether or not the shooter involved in this put himself in that zone of danger, came down to this place where these kids were located and had been that particular evening, and thereby created a dangerous situation.
Stankowski even questions whether the adults involved in the shooting were legitimately on the island.
It was not a dwelling or a residence of some sort. It's our information and belief that these individuals came from somewhere else, possibly in a boat, and then came down there and confronted the kids.
Stankowski says he doesn't know why the teenagers were on the island at 4 a.m. Sunday, but he says he is concerned about reports Moody could possibly face criminal charges if she recovers.
Not seen any evidence or heard of any evidence that would lead us to believe that there was any type of criminal intent or that she committed any particular crime during this particular incident.
Stankowski says information is still unfolding in the case, and he says it's too early to say whether or not the family wants charges brought against the shooters. Once all the facts are known, he says he'll be able to advise the family on their legal options. In Fairhope, I'm Renee Dials, Fox 10 News.
And the attorney also wants to know if the shooters had permits for their weapons.